Afternoon, we are hearing from the skier who was trapped in an avalanche in Neffs Canyon. He was rescued after an off-duty firefighter who was out in the canyon at the time happened to hear his calls for help. ABC's Janae Norman has that story.
A skier who survived an avalanche.
All of a sudden, this whole slope collapsed, and there was just a wall of snow that was coming at me at, 40, 50 miles an hour.
35-year-old Travis Hausner buried in snow up to his chest for 45 minutes Wednesday. The avalanche, approximately 200 feet wide, slamming him into a tree while skiing Neffs Canyon in Utah.
So my first thought was, okay, it's over. That was my life, right?
Hausner shouting for help for nearly an hour, trying to dig himself out.
Started hearing what I thought was most likely an animal making noises.
An off-duty firefighter skiing with his dog heard the cries for help and called 911.
He was pinned against a tree. He was buried. He was wrapped around the tree with just his head and arms exposed.
Avalanche injury.
A rescue team on a helicopter unable to reach Hausner. Search and rescuers arriving to dig him out, taking him down the mountain by snowmobile to a waiting ambulance.
I'm super grateful for all the people that got me out of there. But, I wouldn't be me if I didn't want to go out and ski again. So first thing I'll probably do once I heal up is go skiing.